Hi guys, today we're going to show you another interesting dash cam. It's a 4K front dash camera from Fitcam X. What's cool about this product is the fact that it is completely integrated into the vehicle. I'll show you how it works. So as you can see, they used the existing plastic cover to install the front dash cam, and this cover goes in place of this one. Another big advantage of this dash cam is that this is the only wire that you will use, so you don't have to run all these long wires through the whole vehicle. It gets connected, it actually is a splitter and gets connected to the existing connector underneath that cover. We'll show you guys the installation process shortly. This product is ideal for somebody who is looking for a simple solution. As I said before, we have only one wire, and on the dash cam we only have two buttons. It's a power button and the take photo button. On the side we have a SD card, which already comes with the dash cam, 64 gigs. And also, as you can see, you can easily take it out after the installation. Well, after it's mounted, you just have to press and take your data with you. I'll show you what else we have in the box. We have the, what's it called, the trim removal tool, and the SD card USB adapter, and the manual. So as I said before, no long extra wires. One more time guys, this is a 4K dash cam, and this is some of the features that it has: Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, high dynamic range. As for Wi-Fi connection, there is also an app which we'll show you shortly after we install the camera. To remove the OEM cover, you simply have to first push it down like this, and then you'll need to remove this middle section. To show you how it looks, we have a couple of clips on the sides which need to be removed first. Now we need to transfer these red retainers from the original cover to the new one. And right here we have the connector that we'll be using. Disconnect the original one first, and now we'll use the T-splitter that comes with the dash cam. And the wire for the camera gets connected to this one right here. Remove the central section from the new cover. This is how we organized our wire. We have the connector over there, and then the wire goes around the bracket like this, and this is the connector for the camera. And that's it, the installation is done. As you could see, it shouldn't take you more than half an hour to completely install this camera. Another advantage of this camera is it's centered in the vehicle. This way you'll get perfect picture in your video, and also it's out of driver's view. I'll show you guys how it looks like in the front. I will turn on the power. And as you can see, we have blue light indicators. This means that the dashcam is currently recording. I've mentioned the Wi-Fi app before, guys, and I'll show you. It's called FeedCam X. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. Before we actually go into the app, we have to connect the Wi-Fi. For this, I have to go to settings and find my Wi-Fi networks. You'll see this one, car. So it may vary from model to model, but in general, this is how it's gonna look like approximately. The password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Connect. Now we have connected to the dash cam, so I'll go back to the app and press connect. It's connected, yes, that's good. Let's go back. So press this button, access FeedCam X, and it will show you the video recording. You can flip the screen like this and view it in the full mode. So I'll show you guys the settings first. We have the change between camera views button here, but since this camera comes only as a front dash cam, this button is not active. By the way, yeah, FeedCam X, they do sell sets with the rear camera as well. So I'll go to camera settings. We have sound recording. Currently it's off. I will turn it on. It shows us the photo resolution, video resolution. So currently it's set at 2K, but as I said, it has 4K support as well, and I'll choose that. Also, we have loop recording, loop record options. This is only set to 1 minute. Exposure compensation, WDR, video watermark. For the advanced functions, we have the collision sensing and the parking monitor motion detection. So that's basically a parking mode, but this camera, when you connect it this way to the underneath the cover, it won't have the parking mode available. To have the parking mode, you actually have to get the hard wiring kit and connect it in the traditional way. So basically the wire will have to go underneath, behind the roof liner, then go through the A-pillar and down to the fuse box. That's how you always will do it, right? But in this case, I think this is actually a great solution because it's very simple. You don't have these extra wires, so that's probably the only downside that you have with this kind of installation is the parking mode is not active. But as I said, if you want, you can still do it. We have here Wi-Fi name, like I showed you before, password, and you can format SD card from here, and you can reset the camera. So again, it's pretty simple. You have only the basic functions which you can use, which is not bad at all in my opinion. I'll quickly show you guys that's camera file. That's where you can view recorded videos, and you can also download them to your phone from the app. Before we proceed to the video demonstration, I want to quickly again tell you guys what I think about it. We have installed a lot of other universal cameras which have great features on their own, but what makes this one stand out is that it is completely integrated into the RAV4. And this is something that I would want Toyota to do, because look how well it is done.